are reacting. So, yep, let's watch this. So funny. Wow, that's horrible. Okay, well, bye.